Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of refrigeration with the Whirlpool 184-liter single-door refrigerator. Let's unpack why this fridge could be perfect for your home. First, this refrigerator is designed for families with 2 to 3 members, with a capacity of 184 liters. But there's more to it than just size. A standout feature is the IntelligentSense inverter technology. It's not just about energy efficiency, this technology ensures compressor reliability and has been certified by VDE Germany for 25 years. That's peace of mind right there. And speaking of reliability, the refrigerator operates between 95 volts to 300 volts, making it stabilizer-free even during voltage fluctuations. This is a big relief, especially in areas prone to power fluctuations. Need to store large bottles? No problem. This fridge can easily hold 3 2-liter bottles. Plus, with easy manual defrosting and jumbo storage capacity, organizing your groceries becomes a breeze. Inside, you will find a well-thought-out layout, 4 drawers, 2 shelves made of toughened glass, and an antibacterial gasket, which ensures hygiene and storage flexibility. But what about those unexpected power cuts? This fridge keeps your food fresh for up to 9 hours, thanks to its impressive cold retention feature. Laser wave, lets to lock size. This refrigerator stands at 60.5 by 53.5 by 118.8 inches, making it a compact and sleek addition to your kitchen. To wrap it up, the Whirlpool 184 liters refrigerator is not just a cooling device. It is a solution designed for modern households, ensuring reliability, convenience and energy efficiency. That's a wrap for today. If you found this useful, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more device insights. Until next time, stay cool.